come with me to check out dinner by Heston Blumenthal at the Mandarin Oriental Hotel. Now, I've always wanted to try out his restaurant, so I decided to go for my birthday dinner. So I got there and received this really cute facts card. I love interesting facts about anything I'm going to eat. So for starters, I had this beautiful smoked salmon. It came with some lemon salad and some relish. This was gorgeous. I could have had seconds. I could really have this as a main meal, but just multiple servings of the same thing. It was beautiful. And then for my mains, I had the powdered duck breast. It came with apricots and some raisins. Now, just personal taste, I don't like my gamey. It had that gamey taste. So I probably will order something else if I go back again. But presentation-wise, beautiful. I love my food looking very pretty. For dessert, I had this beautiful spit roast pineapple. It took about 15 minutes to be made. Definitely worth the wait. I would definitely order that again. It was gorgeous. It was filling, beautiful. And then as it was my birthday, they were so sweet. They brought this cute miniature cakey biscuit with some cacao nibs. This was gorgeous. I was just nibbling on those nibs all night long. Presentation again, very beautiful with a heart in the center. Loved it. Subscribe for more travel, lifestyle content. See you next time.